Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about what is ENV. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have. So the env stands for the environment file. Okay, it is used to separate the configuration from the code. Like somehow we have some configuration files, you can say, about the port number. We have our database credentials, we have the feature flags, we have some secret keys or payment gateways keys. So all this information should be stored in the .env file, configuration file, right? And it should be kept outside your code base. Okay, make sure it should be outside the code base and easily changed between the development and the testing. So you can make it with the .env production, .env environment, and the staging. So this is how you can maintain the environments also. Okay, next we have how .env file look like. So it will look like this. Here we have defined the port, db host, db username, db password, api key, some the publishing key for the stripe or something. How to use .env in the different frameworks. In the Node.js, we are going to use process.env.port. So this is how I can access the port number. If I'm going with the React, so this is the React, and how I'm going to use it with the port dot process.env dot the name of the key that we have defined in the .env file. Next, we have the why use a .env file. Security, keep secrets out of the code. Portability, easily switch between the dev, staging and the prod. Team collaboration, everyone uses the same config format. Clean code, avoids hard-coded values in the scripts. Testing, inject test credentials for the CI/CD environments. Important best practices, never commit a .env file to the Git. That's very important. Add this to the always .git ignore. Create a .env example to share the structure, like .env.example with the db user, db password, any other keys you want to add in the example file. So .env summary we have. So feature, the file name should be .env. Format should be key and the value. Stores, configs, secrets, ports and the keys. Access via process.env and the key name. Common in Node.js, Python, React and the Next.js. Don't store real secrets in the front-end apps. Okay. So this is all about the .env. I hope you understand and like the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.